LEAP helps you build academic skills through targeted lessons, quizzes, and live online tutoring. LEAP creates your learning plan based on a skills assessment that you take at the beginning of the course. To begin learning, click on the link to one of the courses assigned to you in the Pending Courses section below. The course begins with a diagnostic test. Before beginning the test, you will see instructions. Click Start Test to take the test. As you choose your answer for each question, click Next to move on to the next question. When you have finished your test, click Done. After taking a diagnostic test, a customized learning plan broken down by skill areas is prepared for you. The learning plan contains lessons to help you learn specific concepts, and you can even connect with a live tutor at any point to get extra help. The learning plan helps you master academic skills through lessons, quizzes, and live tutoring. LEAP will track your progress as you study. You can return to completed courses at any time to review your work. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@brainfuse.com. Thank you for watching.